Hey guys, welcome to Pen Dentistry. Hope you all are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Without further delay, let's get started. What is staging of oral cancer by TNM classification? TNM classification was given by AJCC, American Joint Committee on Carcinoma. What is TNM? TNM is T represent primary tumor T. Okay. N represent regional lymph nodes. Regional lymph nodes are when there is a tumor and the lymph nodes are around it. And there is a lymph node around it. Okay. Then these are known as regional lymph nodes. M is distant metastasis. If there is a organ present around the carcinoma, around the tumor, carcinogenic tumor, then there is a proliferation of the tumor. Okay, there is a proliferation of the tumor at the organ, around the organ. So this is distance metastasis. Now T. There are stages of T. First one Tx, T, Tx, T0, T is T1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The T is primary tumor as we have seen this above. Tx is primary tumor cannot be assessed. Assessed is there is no primary tumor. It cannot be found. Okay. And it cannot be found. It cannot be, we cannot recognize it. T0 is no evidence of primary tumor. There is no evidence. No NO T0. T is carcinoma in situ. There is a presence of carcinoma in situ. T1 is tumor 2 centimeter. There is a tumor present which is less than 2 centimeter, greater in dimension. That is, it is if there is a tumor, it is less than 2 centimeter in its greatest dimension. T2 is more than 2 centimeter but not more than 4 centimeter. It is going to be 2 centimeter but not more than 2 centimeter, greatest in diameter. Okay, greatest in diameter. C3 is more tumor more than 4 centimeter in greatest diameter. More than, first it was not more than, now it is more than 4 centimeter. T4A. T4A is around the lips. T4B is around the oral cavity. T4B again is taking the both, the lip and the oral cavity both. Okay, T4 now, T4A is, this invades through cortical plate. It is taking place at the cortical plate, inferior alveolar nerve, floor of the mouth, skin covering chin or nose, because it is around the lips. So what are around the lips? Cortical plate is present, inferior alveolar nerve is also present, floor of the mouth, skin, chin or nose. Oral cavity. In oral cavity, it invades through cortical bone into deep extensive muscles of tongue. It can take place the muscle of tongue, maxillary sinus of the face. And in both, there is a masticatory space, pterygoid plate, skull base, internal carotid artery. In both, it can take place at masticatory space, pterygoid plate, skull bone. These all invades in both. Okay. Now we will go for N. T. T is done. Our T is done. Now we will go for N. The same thing is also for the N takes place. N is N for regional lymph node. Okay, the lymph node which is present around the tumor. NX is regional lymph nodes cannot be assessed. That means there is no evidence of regional lymph node. NO is no regional lymph node present. that it is sure that there is no regional lymph node metastasis is taking place. N1 metastasis in a single ipsilateral lymph node. Ipsilateral is same side. What is ipsilateral? Same side. That is metastasis is taking place singly at the same side of the lymph node 3 centimeter or lesser in greater dimension. That means that it is less than 3 centimeter. Your metastasis is taking place. N2A, N1 is done, then N2A and N2B and N2C is starting. In N2A, metastasis in a single ipsilateral lymph node is taken place more than 3 centimeter but not more than 6 centimeter. It is more than 3 centimeter but not more than 6 centimeter, greatest in dimension. N2B, metastasis in a multiple ipsilateral lymph node. Multiple same side lymph nodes will going to be there, not more than 6 centimeter, not more than 6 centimeter in greatest dimension. In N2C, metastasis in bilateral. First it was single ipsilateral, then again it was single ipsilateral, then multiple ipsilateral. Now it is bilateral or contralateral. Contralateral is both side, or contralateral lymph node not more than 6 centimeter in diameter. Again there is not more than 6 centimeter, but metastasis is taking place. And that is in lymph node more than 6 centimeter. At the last there comes more than 6 centimeter in greatest dimension. Metastasis will going to takes place. N, X, N0, 1, 2 का for 2 there is A, B, C, and at the last there is N3. Now M for metastasis is distant metastasis. Distant metastasis is there is a proliferation of the tumor around the organ. If this is the organ, let's see, this is the liver, then it is going to metastasis will come around the liver. MX is distant metastasis cannot be assessed. That there is no proof, there is no knowledge that it is there, the metastasis is taking place. M1 is no distant metastasis. There is no distant metastasis is taking place. And M2 distant metastasis is present. This one is simple, it is present. How we are going to stage the oral cancer? As the cancer is determined by stage 0, 1, stage 2, stage 3. You might have heard that it is the patient is on stage 1 cancer, stage 2 cancer. So how you can stage this? So at stage 1 there is TIS, that is carcinoma in situ. Okay. And NO is no regional lymph node metastasis is there. MO. In this, the MO is placed at every stage, leaving the last one, M1. Okay. So this column is very easy. MO, M0, you can say this is from first to here up till stage 4B. It is there at the last. M1 is present, and here everyone till the stage 2 there is N0, and in stage 3 N0 is also there, and N1 is also there. So after 0 there comes 1. So at stage 3 there is N1, N0 plus N1. Okay. Then after 1 it comes 2. So here N2 is there. Then N0, N1 and N2 there. Then it comes 3. Then when it comes 3, then N3 and any type N is present. And at the last any type N is also N present. Okay. How you are going to arrange this column? And First, at 0 stage, there is an O. At first stage, an O, and second stage, an O. So, at the stage, there is N1, N1, NO, and N1. Okay, and then it is going to come 2. 2 is going to come. Then at fourth A, N2, 1, 2. At B, there is N3 and NEN. Again, NEN is present. Okay. How you are going to arrange the T1? So at 0 there is carcinoma in situ TIS. Then 1 for 1, 2 for 2. Then 3 for 1, 2, 3. Okay, T1, T2, 3, 3. At T1 there is N1. At 2, 2. There is N1. At 3 there is N0 and N1. At fourth stage there is T1, T2, T3, T4A. Okay. At fourth B, there is NET and T4B. At fifth stage, C, NET is there. So this is the very easiest form how you are going to stage the oral cancer. Hope you have understood this.
Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.